Today we're talking about One UI 7, and trust me, this update from Samsung is a game changer. Previously I tested ColorOS and it impressed me a lot, but after trying One UI 7, I realized just how much effort Samsung has put into this update. It's noticeable in every way. So why is this update so special? Let's dive in. First things first, the update is 4.7 gigabytes and comes with Android 15 along with the December security patch. With it, you're getting a bunch of new features that will take your phone to the next level. Want to know what these new features are? Stick around till the end. Once you install One UI 7, the first thing you'll notice is the redesigned icons and smoother animations. Quick settings and notifications are now more organized, giving the interface a cleaner and more intuitive feel. Oh, and now there's vertical scrolling and alphabetical navigation in the app drawer. But wait, the biggest surprise is at the end, check it out. If you've seen the iPhone's dynamic island, One UI 7 brings its own version with live notifications. You can control your timer or music without unlocking your phone, and the best part is, it works even on your lock screen. Wondering how this will change the way you use your phone? Stick with me till the end to find out. Samsung has made some huge camera improvements as well. Now all your settings are right there with just a tap, whether it's flash, timer, or pro mode settings. It's now super easy to use. Is this the best camera update yet? Let's find out at the end of the video. Now with One UI 7, you can charge your phone from 80% to 95%, giving you more control over your battery. There are new charging animations, and battery-saving options have become more customizable. But how will these changes benefit you? Keep watching to find out. Samsung's Knox Matrix security system now doesn't just protect your phone but your entire Samsung ecosystem, including devices like TVs and watches. It also secures your Wi-Fi network. Curious about how this will affect your phone's security? Stay till the end for the full scoop. File sharing is now super easy with QuickShare. You can share files even without a Wi-Fi network, and if the network drops, the transfer automatically switches to mobile data. You can even set an expiry date for shared files. How convenient will this be for your daily life? Watch till the end to see why. One UI 7 brings AI Call Transcribe, which transcribes phone calls into 20 different languages. It identifies both parties on the call and even keeps a record. Want to know how this can change your call experience? Stick with me till the end. For gamers, Game Booster mode now allows you to customize performance settings, including frame boosting, max FPS, and screen resolution. Could this be the best update for gaming enthusiasts? Stay tuned till the end to find out. The rollout for One UI 7 will begin in January with the Galaxy S25 series. After that, Fold 6, Flip 6 and S24 series will also get the update. Is your phone eligible? Watch till the end to find out. One UI 7 is not just an update, it's a statement. It's redefined the user experience and given other brands a tough challenge. But do you think other brands will catch up? Leave your thoughts in the comments and let me know. Before you go, here's the deal. If you found these features as mind-blowing as I did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more exciting updates like this. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. I've got even more hidden gems and exclusive features lined up just for you. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now and be the first to know when the next big update drops. You don't want to miss it.